Howdy loves, and welcome back to my channel. So this is the face of a very tired girl who just started her period. As you can tell, we are thriving over here. I feel like I'm carrying a child right now. That is how bad. This is just how I feel every single time. By the title of the video, you guys read it correctly. I can't even believe this. In about like 20 minutes, a car is gonna pick me up and take my mom and I to the airport because I'm filming a national commercial with Dick's Sporting Goods. I'm gonna model for them, do some video stuff, and I'm so beyond excited. Like, that is just insane. My first ever campaign like this was with Sephora, and I did that last year before COVID hit, but it never got to air because the whole shoot was about prom, and then prom got canceled because of COVID. Here we are, back again doing shoots. I'm so excited, and I just wanted to take you guys along with me. That's the plan as of now. I basically have like everything packed, some clothes over there, all my undergarments, and then this. I'm kind of in love with my outfit today. I feel like I need to show you guys. Really been working on getting that hourglass figure at the gym. Hopefully you can see progress. But I've got black Align Lululemon leggings. Then I have this top from Aloe. Looks like this. And then I have this cropped Brandy jacket that I'm gonna wear to the airport. Also, hopefully my face is not oily because whenever I don't wear makeup, my face gets really oily and then it gets 20 times more oily anytime I'm at the airport. So that's just great.
Did you pack toothpaste or do I need to do it?
I packed toothpaste, but why have you not packed?
Because I just hate packing early in the morning.
Mom.
Did you get your electric toothbrush?
Yo, look at this bomb oatmeal I just made. I've got chocolate granola bites, strawberries, and then chia seeds. So now I'm gonna mix this all together. I just destroyed it.
My love language.
We're eating at this place called Hat's Burgers, and we're splitting this and then cheese fries. Let's try one of these. You don't have to eat it, just leave it over there. Okay. Oh wow. We're about to board soon. In like 5 minutes, I want to say. Looking forward to the trip. Alright, so we are in LA now. It's freezing and busy. And very busy. Like, way too busy. It's a nice car.
Very nice car. It's a Mercedes something.
A Mercedes something. Our chauffeur guy is so nice. King Alex, currently at the hotel right now, and we're waiting to get checked in, and it's 8:38. I'm officially in love with this hotel. Let me show you guys. Let me stand from over here. So our beds face directly to the city, and I'm staying in this one. My mom is staying in this one.
I'm at 60 right now. Alright, you want it higher?
61. That's pretty cold, Mom.
I like it.
My mom turned the AC to 61. We sleep in really cold weather at our house, but I am in love. I'm so happy to be here. Hey guys, good morning. This is the view. It's 7 o'clock and we have breakfast with my management team at like 9:15, and then we're going straight to fittings and everything for the shoot. So we need to get dressed and ready. I slept so well last night. It's just like so nice. All right, makeup is done and outfit is picked. So this is my fit for the day. Top is from Beginning Boutique. Jeans are from PacSun. We're about to leave soon and go meet up with Amy and Melanie. I'm very excited. I feel like I haven't seen them in so long. So okay, so We're in the ballroom where we're doing our fittings. It's like right across from our hotel. And I had to get tested for COVID, so the girl just did the thing in my nose. And I literally started crying because it tickled so much. It didn't hurt, but it just tickled. About to do fittings. There's like a bunch of sport equipments and like all these props in there. I'm kind of nervous, but I need to pee really bad. Hey guys, fittings are all done and we're back at the hotel. So I couldn't vlog because I would have gotten in trouble and they don't want me to show the clothes that I'm modeling. I have 6 different looks. They're all cute. Yeah, we just did alterations for today. We might have to wake up at like 5:30. I think my mom and I are gonna get Alfred's coffee and then go to the pool because I want to swim.
Wait, what is the emblem on the hat?
It's a polo. Okay, this is my fit for the pool. Swimsuit is from Sunny Co Swim and then a polo hat. You guys, I literally fell on the pavement the other day. Look at how effed up my knee is. And this one too. It was tragic. So good. What did you get?
The matcha latte.
My mom got a matcha latte. We literally have the whole day now to do whatever we want. All right, our poolside food is chips and queso. No, chips and salsa and guacamole, but obviously I'm allergic to avocado, so that's not for me. And then I ordered this for me. This is a fruit plate. It's so colorful.
I know you feeling me, reciprocate my energy. I know you're into me, so just let it be. I know you feeling me, reciprocate my energy. I know you're into me, so just let it be. We just complicating these tags, it's so frustrating. Emotions conflicting, make it feel like we're wasting time.
Okay, I just ordered some. So it's 4:30 right now and call time is 5:30. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and makeup here because they want us to do like our natural hair and makeup that we would usually do, and then they'll have a hairstylist and makeup artist to like touch up stuff or add things throughout the looks, but they really want it to be like a natural thing. And so I'm gonna take out my braids and then do some makeup. I really need coffee, or not coffee, a chai in my system right now. Like I'm just not functioning.
Okay, signal. Base camp. There we go.
Or is that from here?
22 minutes.
Okay. Alright guys, photo shoot is done. Literally it was the longest day ever. It felt so long and I couldn't film any of it because they requested me not to, which is totally understandable. I couldn't even film the locations really, but we got some really good photos, videos, all that. I can't wait for you guys to see it when it comes out. Now we're back at the hotel and I have a little story for you guys. Basically, we ordered off of DoorDash for dinner. My mom and I were starving because we've been shooting all day, and we ordered from this place called Lulu Bowls off of DoorDash. Literally wait an hour to get our food. And I go downstairs to pick it up and the guy calls me and he's like, I'm here. And it's an order under the name of Kimberly and it's from Chick-fil-A. And we were like, no. I looked at the bag and I was like, oh, this is like not ours. And he like called the number again and it was on my phone. I was like, oh gosh. And so I was like, is there any way we can get what we got? Because we spent like $60 on these Lulu Bowl things. Because DoorDash is not cheap and these bowls aren't cheap either. And he was like, sorry, I'm just the driver. So my mom was so upset and we like contacted DoorDash and we were like, this is not okay. Like, we waited an hour for our food. What's the deal? Because the girl, Kimberly or whatever, got a meal that was $17 with like no food from Chick-fil-A. I mean, I really did enjoy this Oreo milkshake. But I was like, that means somebody else got our order. So now DoorDash is resending the food and we're gonna hopefully get it. So that's my little story time for the day. I will keep updating you if we do anything, but I doubt we're gonna leave, so. You guys, our Lulu Bowls finally came. Let's open it. Ooh.